Assalamualaikum my students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Joya, teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an ICT class for the student of class 8 students. And our today's topic, Assignment 2 discussion. Look at the board my students. This is class 8, subject ICT, topic Assignment 2. Term annual 2021 and your lecture number 9, and this is your teacher name. My name Sonia Joya and this is my mobile number and this is today's date. So my students, let's start out today's topic. This is class 8, subject Information and Communication Technology ICT, and assignment number 2. This is your assignment number 2 and 17th week assignment. So chapter and the title of the chapter 2, computer network, lesson number and topic, lesson 8, the idea of network, lesson 9, topology, lesson 10, use of network, lesson 11, use of network. And this is your assignment task or your assignment topic. So this is your assignment task, assignment or assignment topic. Prepare a report on the daily use of the network and related equipment. Again I am saying, this is your assignment topic. Prepare a report on the daily use of the network and related equipment. And this is instruction, how you will write your report. To prepare the report, the following observations must be taken. When you will prepare your report, then you will have to must be taken or have to be taken this instruction. Number 1, the initial part, original title, recipient's name, address, brief summary of the subject matter. So this is initial part. Then number 2, the main part. Introduction of the topic, keynote report. Here are some points like use of network in daily life, network, server, client, media, network, adapter, resources, user, protocol, hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card, and last one is conclusion and recommendation. And part 3, appendix. So part 3 appendix is that information instruction where you will write this report, this information, bibliography and additional matter. So this is appendix. Appendix means your source of writing. And this is your assessment criteria: excellent, very good, and need to explain, need to progress. So this is your assignment. And your first work is the topic. This is your topic, to prepare a report on the daily use of the network and related equipment. Then you will have to follow this instruction. And come to the point. This is our report writing instruction or report writing pattern. First you have to write to the headmaster, your school name, National Ideal English Version School, address, Bonusri, Dhaka. Then you have to write the subject, a report on the daily use of the network and related equipment. So this is very important. You have to write subject. Then dear sir, most respectfully, I am representing the report titled means this subject, the daily use of the network and related equipment as per your order memorandum non-NIBS. This is your abbreviation of your school name, NIEVS 09/2021, published on 20 September 2021. And my dear students, you will have to start your report writing in that pattern. You have to follow this pattern. Then you have to write this topic, the daily use of the network and related equipment, use of network in daily life, use of network of daily life. there is no full stop here. There is no full stop here. This is a mistake. There is no full stop here. Again I am saying the daily use of the network and related equipment, use of the daily use of network and related equipment. Okay, this is here is a full stop. Okay, then use of network. Then you have to describe this point in your assignment task. There is some main part or keynote report like use of network in daily life, network, server, client, media, network adapter, resource user, protocol hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card, conclusion and recommendation. And your report writing you have to discuss this point. First point, use of the network in daily life, network, server, client, media, network adapter, resource user, protocol hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card, conclusion and the recommendation. My dear students, in your book, look at this. In your book, there are description of this hub, switch, and you can draw this picture of hub. You can draw this picture of hub, switch, then router. You can write this router picture. Then next modem. Here is the modem picture. Then LAN card. Here is the LAN card picture. So in this point you can draw a picture. You can draw a picture like hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card. Then last one is conclusion and recommendation. Then appendix. Appendix is that information and communication technology. Your book name, information and communication technology. Your book name. Here appendix in your book name. Appendix, information and communication technology, class 8, national curriculum and textbook, Bangladesh, pages 18 to 33, 18 to 33. This is a page number. Then last one is reporter's name and address. Your name and address. You have to write your name and address. Your class 8, your roll number, national ideal, English version is school address, Bonorsi, Dhaka. Then you have to write your date of preparation and time of preparation. This is very important. Without this pattern, you will not get excellent. Or very good. So you have to follow this assignment pattern. Again I am saying, first you have to write to the headmaster, national English version is school, address, subject and report on the daily use of the network and related equipment. Then dear sir, most respectfully I am representing the report titled the daily use of the network and related equipment as per your order memorandum non NIVS. This is your school abbreviation, school name abbreviation 09/2021, published on 20 September 2021. Then you have to write the topic name, the daily use of the network and related equipment. Then you will have to discuss this point, use of network in daily life, network, server, client, media, network adapter, resource user, protocol, hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card. Hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card. In your book there are a picture. You can draw a picture of this point, hub, switch, router, modem, LAN card. Last one is the conclusion and recommendation. You have to write conclusion. Then last one is appendix. Appendix means information communication technology. Is your book name, class 8, national curriculum, textbook, Bangladesh. Then you have to write page number 18 to 33. Then you will write your name, reporter's name and address. You write your name and address, class 8, your roll number, your school name, your school address, and write date of preparation and time of preparation. So this is our Assignment 2 topic and Assignment 2 pattern. And my students, your submission date to 2/10/2021 means next Saturday. Next Saturday you will submit your assignment number 2 submission date to 10/2021. So my students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic. See you again inshallah.